Hello Project Class, this is Stephen here. So this week I'd like to talk about a form that you should fill in for me for next week. You'll find this form on Moodle and it's called Topic and Question. Topic and Question. The reason that I'd like you to do this is because I need to be clear that you know what you're doing on the project, and also it's going to help you to become clear about what you're doing on the project, because if you're not clear, I won't be clear, and you won't be in a very good position for developing your project in a clear way. So I'd like you to fill this form in. Please download it, fill it in and print it. It's available as a PDF or as a Word document if you'd like to type directly onto it. Let's take a look at it together. So at the top here you should fill in your name, student number, and then a couple of questions here about what is a research question, what's the difference between a research question and a questionnaire question. Well, the difference is questionnaire question is a question you ask other people. Maybe you go out into the street, maybe you go to Park Cafe or Commercial Road, and you ask people questions such as how old are you male or female, how much money do you make, or how often do you buy this product. The research question is the question that you are trying to answer yourself. For example, what's the opinion of people in Portsmouth about downloading DVDs rather than buying them? So to answer that question about people in Portsmouth, you're then going to go and ask individual people, about their behaviour. That's the difference. Questionnaire question, you ask other people. Questionnaire, research question, is a question that you are trying to answer yourself. You use the questionnaire question to help you answer your research question. I hope that's clear. Let's take a look at the next part. We talked about this a little bit earlier. Why should your research questions be clear and focused? Well, it should be clear, so you know what you're trying to answer. It's difficult to find an answer to something if you don't know what you're looking for, or if you don't have a clear question. It should be grammatically correct. And focused, because if you try to do too much, you're not going to have enough space to talk about all types of business. For example, you probably will need to focus in on a particular type of business in a particular place to be more specific. Remember, you have 5,000 words. It sounds like a lot, but it's not really when you consider the scale of what you're trying to achieve. If you're not focused in on a particular topic, it's going to be difficult to achieve any kind of meaningful results or depth of analysis. So down here, I'd like you to write down your topic. This can be quite general, so let's say you're going to say something like DVD purchasing power. Could be a type of topic, and then research questions, you'd be a lot more specific. So you might have a research question such as how popular is buying a DVD compared to downloading a film. And then you might add, in Portsmouth, if you're going to collect data from Portsmouth, that could be one research question. and you might want to add more. If you want to add more, you just write them on another piece of paper. So I'd like you to bring that to class, print it out, and give it to me next week, back in the usual room at the usual time.